Hello, today I'm going to walk you through how to add multilanguage captions to your Camtasia production using the TechSmith Smart Player. There are two different ways this can be done, and I'll go through both methods and the pros and cons of each method. But before we do that, we must have a Camtasia project with captions, so let's do that first. Now that my Camtasia project is complete with captions, I'm going to create a local production using the TechSmith Smart Player. When I open up the production folder, you'll notice that Camtasia has created an XML file. This is called the XMP sidecar file and contains metadata used to enhance the video. This is where the captions you created in Camtasia are stored. We will be modifying this file to add our multilanguage captions. Open up this file in a text editor. On Windows you can use Notepad, or on Mac you can use TextEdit. Since we are modifying this file, it'll be easier to format the XML so it's easier to read. One easy way to do this is to copy all the text in the file, use a free online XML format site like this one, paste in the text, format, and then copy the formatted text back to the file and make sure you save. Now we will locate the section that contains the caption text. Each of these XML elements represent caption text at a specific time. To add another language, you will copy an existing element and paste it under that one. Now change the language code to the correct version. For this example, I'll add German. Then we just update the text. One complication is Camtasia will write these RTF formatting tags in the XML. I would just copy these tags as is, or you could remove them completely if you don't want to worry about the different formatting, like bold, italics. Now that you've gone through updating the caption XML, when you upload your entire project to your self-hosted environment, the Smart Player will let you pick the available languages based on what is in the XMP file.